These pumpkin pancakes are not only delicious, they're also vegan. So I started off by mixing together my dry ingredients, which are all-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda, kosher salt, and if you're using just regular table salt, use about half the amount that I used here, as well as some cinnamon and ground ginger. Then once that was all mixed together, I set it aside and got a new clean bowl. To that I added my pumpkin puree, followed by my oat milk. Now you can use any type of plant-based milk or regular milk if you don't really care about it being vegan, as well as some vegetable oil and maple syrup. Then just pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Now, like with any pancake batter, you don't want to overmix the batter because you want it to be as fluffy as possible. Then once everything was combined, I poured about a quarter cup of the batter onto a lightly greased pan over medium-low heat. It's a pretty thick batter, so you might need to shake your scoop a little bit, but once it's all on there, just let it cook for a couple minutes. You'll see it expand quite a bit. Then once you've noticed that bubbles have started to pop on the surface of the pancake, it's time to flip it over. Then just cook it for a couple more minutes on the other side, and you're ready to serve warm with your favorite toppings. My personal favorite is maple syrup, of course. Click on one of these other great videos and subscribe for more amazing recipes.